Apple unveiled its iPhone 13 series last night, and I'm sure a lot of you must be really excited about it, but a lot of you would also have questions around it. Questions like what's new on the iPhone 13 series, what are the pricing of the different models, and most importantly, if you're already using the iPhone 12, whether you should be upgrading to the iPhone 13 or not. Well, I will try and answer all these questions in this video. You're watching India Tech. I am Manas Tiwari. Apple has introduced the iPhone 13 series in 4 different models this year: iPhone 13 mini, iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro, and iPhone 13 Pro Max. The lineup is very similar to last year's iPhone 12 series. In fact, in terms of overall design and look also, it looks very close to the iPhone 12 models. The big change, of course, here is that the notch that we are so used to of seeing on the iPhones is smaller than before. Apple is yet to get rid of it completely, but definitely the notch is smaller than what we have seen on previous iPhone models. Now the iPhone 13 mini comes in 5.4 inch screen size. iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 Pro have 6.1 inch displays, and the iPhone 13 Pro Max has the biggest 6.7 inch display. The screen size is again similar to the iPhone 12 models, but Apple claims that it has used a better quality OLED display on all the iPhone 13 models. The bigger upgrade and the most talked about point will of course be the high refresh rate on the Pro models. So for the very first time, Apple is giving 120 Hz refresh rate on the iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max, and it is calling it a ProRes display. So what it does basically is that it adjusts the frame rate depending on what is playing on your screen. So that is definitely one upgrade that is worth paying for. Apple has also added new storage variants. So the iPhone 13 mini and iPhone 13 now start from 128 GB of storage instead of the 64 GB variant that we used to get earlier, and both these models will also be available with 512 GB of internal storage, while the iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max now offer you 1 TB of onboard storage within the phone. The price of iPhone 13 mini starts at rupees 70,000, 69,900, which is exactly the same price at which the iPhone 12 mini was also launched. But what you have to factor in is that the iPhone 12 mini had a base variant of 64 GB, while with iPhone 13 mini, you're definitely getting 128 GB of internal storage. Similarly, the iPhone 13 is priced at rupees 79,900, the same price at which the iPhone 12 was launched. Again, there is a difference in the storage. There you got 64 GB of storage, but on iPhone 13 you get 128 GB of onboard storage. The iPhone 13 Pro price starts at rupees 1,19,900, while the iPhone 13 Pro Max starts at rupees 1,29,900. There is an upgrade on the performance front as well. So Apple has used A15 Bionic chip on all these models, and it comes with better CPU and GPU performance than the A14 chip which was used on the iPhone 12 models. In fact, Apple claims that the A15 chip can actually give you 50% better performance than any of the competing processors in the market right now. And of course, when you talk about the iPhones, there are always improvements in the camera department as well. So iPhone 13 mini and iPhone 13 come with 2 cameras at the back. Both of them have 12 megapixel resolution. iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max have 3 cameras each. 2 of them are 2 megapixel in resolution. The third one is a telephoto sensor which comes with 3x optical zoom. Now the big update here, or the addition, is of the cinematic mode. So Apple has added a cinematic mode for shooting videos, and what it allows you to do is record videos with a blur effect in the background, But how Apple has differentiated this mode from what you see on the Android smartphones is by adding the ability to switch between the background and the foreground while recording the videos. So that is something, you know, really exciting and a good something to look forward to. Apart from that, Apple is also claiming better performance when it comes to low light photography as well. Once we have the iPhones, we'll definitely test out all these features as well. Lastly, in terms of battery life, Apple is claiming that
iPhone 13 Pro lasts more than 1.5 hours longer in your day than iPhone 12 Pro. And iPhone 13 Pro Max will last more than 2.5 hours longer than iPhone 12 Pro Max. That means iPhone 13 Pro Max has the longest battery life ever in an iPhone.
Of course, Apple hasn't given us any details around the battery capacity, and that's something that it always does. But these are the claims that have been made by the company. So this was a quick roundup of the iPhone 13 series. It will be available for pre-orders in India starting September 17 and will go on sale starting September 24th. So these were all the major upgrades on the iPhone 13 series. These are some meaningful upgrades. There is nothing out of the box that Apple has done, not that we even expect it to. But now it's your decision. You have to take a call whether you want to upgrade to iPhone 13 right now or not. If you have any questions around any of these models, you can definitely put them in the comment section, and I'll take them up in the coming videos. Of course, the iPhone, all the iPhone models will be available for pre-orders starting September 17th in India, and the sale starts on September 24th. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to India Today Tech. Also tap on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any updates from our side. Thank you for watching.